All right, guys, here we go. Looking at the 2 minute chart, every candle's 2 minutes of price action on AMD Advanced Macro Devices. And what we're looking for is we have this basically a swing down and then a little push to the upside. And then if we come down, I don't even know if we'll come up here to the 20, that red line. We're looking for another move of this size to the downside. Okay, so let me put that in there like that. That's not going to be perfect like this, but you think you get the point. Let me pull this from the swing high to swing low. So yeah, let's see. So anyway, let me put you on pause because we got to see how far we're going to climb up here. We could come up to that 148.30 possibly. Who knows? But we're looking for the next pullback, whichever one of these candles gets taken out. Then that's when we'll get in with that short position. But this is the basic play here. Let me take all that off, clean this up for you. So basically, if this, this is the current candle right here. You can just barely see it. If this one here gets taken out, that's where we'll get in on and see if we can't get another move. Okay, well, let me see. We got a minute 21. I don't feel good about that. When it gets closer to the 2 minutes, still has more than half its life left, with a minute 10. But if it had only 15, oh man, I should have got in there. Okay, we'll see. Hopefully we get a pull back up here. This was just a push back into where we already, come down from. And then we're looking for another drive about this size to the downside, okay, if that makes sense. So we got 45 seconds. Let me put you on pause and we'll see where this candle closes. Okay, guys, got about 5 seconds left on this red candle. Let's see where it closed. Got about a second. Okay, we're in. Let me see, put this right here. This candle got in 1,000 shares on margin. Just did a market sale up here, looking to buy back lower. And the setup was that, it came from this swing high to swing low, came back up into it. We're still under the 20, which is, a little bit more bearish than bullish. And then this previous candle here took out that green candle. And we're pretty close to 200. So we start closing again under the 200. That should help us, get this move to the downside here. And let me see this. Let's see where that lines up. About 0.5%. Let me see that. Comes that low pivot over there. I don't know if we'll hit that low, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see if we can't get to this low pivot here. Get my measured move here. 0.5. Yeah, it's still lined up at this low pivot down here. Let's see if we can hit this one first. Okay, well, made that one. Let's see if we can't be a little conservative here. Yeah, we'll probably get out right here. We hopefully we can make it down to 147.61. Yeah, also we're on a time count because I could see it coming back up here a little bit. Maybe testing at 200, then rolling over. We'll see. We still got about a minute to go. Yeah, it's depending on what the sales action is like. But the SPY, we're watching it. It's the basically ETF for the S&P 500. And it's holding here. It's not moving down. If it was clicking down, that would help our short position. Well, yeah, it just clicked down. Oh, now it's going back up. Never mind. Yeah, invert a correlation with. Yeah, I started just as I said that. I started clicking to the upside, the SPY, and then you saw it turn green here. So we'll keep an eye on both. Okay, it's going a little lower now. Okay, here we go. And we're expecting with this bottoming tail, maybe a little push to the upside. But as violent as that candle was here, hopefully it won't get too, pressed up too high here. Then we'll get a rollover. But this is already going on 7 minutes for the total video. Let me put you on pause and we'll pick it up when the price action picks up. Okay, guys, got about 10 more seconds on this candle here. I don't know, a couple of seconds ago it was red all the way down, a little double bottom here. Those two wicks close together, bottoming tails. Normally you get a little push to the upside. We were expecting that. Let's see if we get a 2 up, 1 down. Yeah, like right there. And see if we can't get a nice red candle to the downside. So let's get this candle going and see if we can't get a nice push to the downside on the next candle. Okay, so we'll come back when this one finishes off. Okay, guys, here we go. Well, we were thinking we were going to get a green candle here, then the red candle. This one popped red, closed red. And here we are here. Let me take that off so you can see. Now it's green. So still expecting a row back over here. But it's pretty bullish in here, to be honest. Even though we're short from that blue dash line. So we're still in the money. But I like this to, keep melting to the downside. It's taking a whole lot longer than I thought. I thought we would get really another red flush candle to the downside. Normally you do when you get these violent moves like this. So let me put you back on pause and see if we can't get back down here and hit this 147.60 area. Okay, guys, sorry about that. This is taking way too long. Had a spinning top doji, and they can go either way. It's kind of a 50-50. And obviously here's the current candle. It was green all the way up here, sold off. So maybe we can get a red close here. Here we go. Well, no, it closed green. So we'll see what the next one brings. And I'm looking at the SPY. SPY's, let me see how it's running. SPY has strength on it. See how it's moving up. Let's go back to AMD. That must be why this is so strong, but that looks good. Let's see if we can't. Okay, here we go again. I'm gonna put you on pause. See if we can't dive down here. Okay, guys, here we go. We've almost hit our target here. And where our target came from, you know what, I'm going to get out now. We hit this low pivot here. Let's just go ahead and, well, okay, we're out. We're done. Okay, how I came up with this target here, I didn't want to, chance it. But we had a swing low, came back up, couldn't, get past the 20, and reversed. Had this little kind of consolidation pattern here because of the SPY. And of course, we're going to dump much lower. But anyway, so that's how we came up with that. And this is the 2-minute chart. Same thing works with the weekly, 3-day, daily, you name it. It's, that's what's good about, what we show, what we do. Works on every timeline. Let me clean this thing up. Okay, guys, have a great one. Happy New Year, and we will see you on the charts.